Now let's take a look at your current door preparation to verify that the holes are properly drilled for your new lock. We'll keep a checklist of the questions we'll need answered. If you can't check every box on the list, you'll need to adjust your door or frame before you begin installation. Check to make sure that you have a minimum of 5.5 inches between the center of the deadbolt crossbore hole and the center of any other door latch below the deadbolt. The crossbore diameter measures 2 1/8 or 1.5 inches. The back set measures either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches from the door edge to the center of the crossbore. The latch bore measures 1 inch in diameter. The thickness of the door is between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches. The hole in the door jamb is at least 7/8 of an inch in diameter and 1 inch deep. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Schlage.